Good morning. And today is our anniversary. 3 years, wow.
And today we're gonna do our 3-year renewal.
I would jump, but it would totally not be stabilized. Hey guys.
We are on our way to Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. We've done absolutely nothing today. We have about an hour and 40 minutes to get to our destination. So it says that we're gonna get there at 7:55, which gives us an hour to wait for the sunset. See you guys when we get there.
See ya.
Check it out, you guys. We're here in Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah, and the salt flats are covered with water because it rained, but it's only just a few inches deep. This is not snow. This is salt. We tasted it. Isn't that beautiful? Sunset's in about an hour. We're ready. You guys, we just did our own little photo shoot by ourselves. It's like one other person out here, so thank God.